Welcome back to the Weekly Window by Indica News, your weekly rundown of top stories impacting the Indian and Indian American communities. It's March 23, 2026. India showcased its gaming ambitions at the Global Developers Conference in San Francisco, highlighting its growing role in the global gaming ecosystem. India is positioning itself as a global hub for affordable AI, leveraging talent, scale, and cost advantages to attract international investment. An Indian game developer presented global ambitions in educational technology at GDC, emphasizing innovation in learning through gaming. Community physician Dr. Sonia Devgan Kakkar has launched a campaign for California's 26th district, aiming to bring grassroots healthcare perspectives to Congress. Adobe has agreed to pay $75 million in US penalties over subscription practices, marking a major regulatory action. Washington State University has appointed data leader Reena Khosla to drive a strategic overhaul focused on analytics and innovation. University of Texas at Austin has named an Indian origin researcher as dean of its nursing school, reflecting growing representation in US academia. Uncoke has added Ashit Mehta to its board, strengthening its leadership in AI-driven enterprise solutions. Despite ongoing airstrikes, a government collapse in Iran appears unlikely, as the regime maintains control amid escalating tensions. Analysts warn that a potential US-Iran conflict could carry significant economic and geopolitical costs, impacting global stability. A reflective column urges readers to discover their passion, emphasizing purpose-driven living in a fast-changing world. Health experts caution that high consumption of red and processed meat may increase colon health risks, urging moderation and dietary balance. A cultural feature explores how the Great Wall of Los Angeles mural transforms into a living symphony, blending art, history, and community storytelling. Grand Prairie Stadium is set to host the MLC 2026 opener, marking a major moment for cricket in the US. Major League Cricket will debut in Los Angeles, ahead of the 2028 Olympics, signaling the sport's rapid expansion in America. Cricketer Ishan Kishan's turnaround story highlights resilience, as he moves from setbacks to statistical dominance on the field. That's all for today's roundup. Stay informed with Weekly Window by Indica News. For detailed stories and more updates, visit www.indicanews.com.